there's 36 spots in this campsite. There's 3 campsites for the entire park. This is the only one that's water only, which is probably why it's as odd as it is during the week. This place is completely empty. There is nothing, no one else here all day. Yesterday when I arrived, when I set up, walked around the loop, nothing. Walked around the loop twice today. I'm going to do it again before I go to bed, just exercise, but also just kind of getting a lay of the land. 36 campsites empty. What is going on here? I have never seen this. What is going on here? Every single campsite is empty. There's nobody here. Hello? There's a tree line here between that parking lot behind me, and then there's nothing behind me except an open area which backs up to the campsite. In fact, if you walk through here, there's a couple of benches that you can sit. If you're a bird watcher, you can come in here and you can sit on these benches, and they have just these areas, huge, well, relatively huge open areas between tree line with benches kind of set off to the side that you can just sit and quietly watch. And I'm sitting here and I can see tons of bird activity, tons of birds flying around, which is always entertaining to watch. In fact, I saw a cardinal that was trying to make a nest in the knot in that tree across the street, and a bird just swooped down from up higher in the canopy down to it, and they fought it out as they disappeared, as we would say in the acting industry, stage left. I tried to follow them with the camera, but they were moving too quick, and then I think the one that was instigating sent the cardinal away and went back up into the canopy, because I did follow it across and saw something cross my view.
Don't look before you leave.
Sometimes I feel like I ramble, but I also don't feel like I talk enough on camera, and that's something that I want to try to mitigate. And I also wanted to show just how odd it is. Okay, so I've got basically the campsite behind me, number 9. That's that knot in the tree that I was talking about that the birds were fighting. Then there's a parking lot here. And then as you look down the road there, you can see all the campsites, 1 through, in this case, 9, because there's 9 across the street, 1 through 9. I'm on 10, and then 11 down that way, and all the way around the corner, or the curve, you can come back around to that area I was talking about that's kind of open with some benches back in there. And then the amphitheater is also between here and the bathroom. And by the way, they say that there's a well. Apparently there's a well, an original well on the property. So this piece of property, of course, was private property before it was turned over and became a state park. And they said that there's a well that was the family well, and I'll have to get the specific name on it, but it was the family's well, and I believe that's it over there behind the amphitheater. It looks to me the only thing that looks like a well from walking around this campsite and looking kind of at each of the sites that are available, and trying to find this historic well. But that right there is a path to my burn pit, so that's where I would go up and back into my site, or of course, a quick easy way to get to the bathroom as well. So, quick tour. What are you doing, buddy? We're getting some sun right up here on this log. Did I scare you? Good, my boys. Just me walking up to you, huh? Alright, well, carry on. I'm definitely not winning any foot races.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
All the best, always.
Wanna come down to the underground old school? Here's a shovel, can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it?